Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Genshin Impact. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open Genshin Impact application. Soon after you open it, you'll end up in the login page. In the first text field, enter your valid email address associated with the account. Now, move on to the next text field and type in your password. Make sure to enter the correct password every time you log into your account. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to do so. You can even log in with Google account, Facebook account, or your Twitter account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Register Now link and register yourself to a new account first. After you're done entering the correct credentials, tap on the login button and wait for a few seconds. That is how you can do it. You've been logged in to your Genshin Impact account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.